To address the issue of a Cox modem blinking green, it is essential to identify the underlying cause. Common causes of this problem include an unstable internet connection, overheating, and a broken coaxial cable. To resolve the issue, start by checking the internet connection, as an unstable connection can cause the modem to blink green, often due to maintenance or a local outage. In this case, waiting for the issue to be fixed may resolve the problem. Ensuring the modem is well ventilated is also crucial, as poor ventilation can cause overheating, leading to a blinking green light. Cleaning the modem to remove dust and placing it in a well-ventilated area can help. Inspecting the modem and its cable is also necessary, as a damaged cable can cause the issue. Unplugging the modem from the power source and checking the cable for any damage, as well as ensuring it is correctly inserted, can help resolve the problem. Additionally, rebooting the modem by unplugging it from the power source, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in may also resolve the issue, as this can help restart the modem and potentially fix the problem.